Juventus have made Zinedine Zidane their #1 target to replace Andrea Pirlo, according to reports in Spain. The Italian champions have endured a difficult campaign and are in danger of surrendering their title. Inter Milan are 10 points clear of the Bianconeri, who are being led by rookie coach Pirlo. The club's former player took on the top job this season but has already seen them dumped out of the Champions League. Rumors about his future continue to swirl, and as claimed, Juventus have put Zidane on top of their replacements short list. The Frenchman spent 5 years as a player in Turin and has forged an impressive career as a manager. The pair won a hat-trick of Champions League titles together at the Bernabeu, and Zidane has refused to dismiss speculation about a Madrid exit. He said, "I don't look any further than the day-to-day. I don't plan anything." Pirlo could still deliver silverware this season in the form of the Coppa Italia. His future, and that of Ronaldo's, have been heavily discussed recently, but club chief Pavel insists the manager is going nowhere. He told DAZN, "Pirlo is and will be the coach of Juventus, that's 100% certain. We committed to a project with Andrea, knowing that there would be difficulties. We wanted to do better than this and haven't managed to, but difficulties were predicted."